जय हिंद, सत श्री अकाल। मैं आपके पंजाब में हूँ एंड वेरी प्राउड एंड feeling very privileged to be here at the stall which is organized by Sam Automation in Mac Auto Show. This show is very important क्योंकि इंडिया अभी एक ट्रांजिशन फेस से जा रहा है एंड इंडिया में बहुत टैलेंट है फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. इंडिया हैज़ द मोस्ट टैलेंट टू बिकम द पावर हाउस इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, बट ये तभी हो सकता है व्हेन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स would be able to improve their productivity, and to improve their productivity they need to adopt technology, they need to automate. Automation is very important for us in Renishaw. That's why we say automation for everyone. ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल जो बड़ी कंपनियां हैं, people who are only big company, they can only automate. When people talk about automate, it's not just the motion movement automation, it's the simplest form of automation that every company can have. कंपनी विथ 1 मशीन टू 10 मशीन टू 50 मशीन टू 100 मशीन 1000 मशीन, ये छोटी कंपनियां से मिड साइज कंपनियां, क्योंकि इंडिया में 90% कंपनियां हैं, दे शुड बी एबल टू टेक द एडवांटेज एंड दैट्स वेयर वी आर फोकसिंग. आवर सॉल्यूशंस आर वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, आर वेरी इजी टू इम्प्लीमेंट, एंड ऑन एवरी मशीन टूल, एवरी मेटल कटिंग मशीन, vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, turning center, these automation tools can be applied. Very simple, very easy, very automated. They can use these automation technology to reduce their downtime, to reduce the rework and improve the machine utilization. And this will ultimately help in saving time, improving the repeatability, and most importantly, consistency, and will make every manufacturer very efficient. That's why we are here in Ludhiana. We want to talk to every manufacturer who is around here. हम बताना चाहते हैं कि आप अपने शॉप में, आप अपने मशीन्स पे, how can you implement technologies such as these which can give you saving today, saving now, and you can reap the advantage, you can make more money, invest more money in your business, and later on grow your business. Because the future of manufacturing is in India. Future of manufacturing is in Punjab. हम लोग चलिए इसको मिल के बनाते हैं. Let's build this manufacturing together. Thank you very much.